Overview. The Audi A5 now stands as the lone compact sedan in Audi's lineup, taking on a versatile, all-purpose role. Offered exclusively as a sleek four-door with a hatchback-style liftgate, the A5 merges the best qualities of the discontinued A4 sedan and A5 Sportback into one cohesive package. It's slightly larger than both predecessors, which means more cabin room and a surprisingly spacious cargo area. Inside, the A5 emphasizes comfort and technology. Its supple ride, refined interior materials, and advanced tech features create a genuinely premium atmosphere. But don't let that fool you. It's still lively in corners and quick to respond. Power comes from a 268 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that drives all four wheels, providing brisk acceleration and confident traction in all conditions. While the BMW 3 Series offers a sportier edge and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class leans more toward luxury, the A5 lands perfectly in the middle, balanced, practical, and distinctly Audi. Expert tip: want more thrill? Step up to the 362 horsepower Audi A5 for a major performance boost, though it'll set you back roughly $13,000 more. What's new for 2026? After debuting as an all-new model last year, the A5 now takes a stage solo for 2026, with a previous Sportback variant officially retired. Since it's fresh off a full redesign, Audi isn't making any major updates for this model year. Pricing and which one to buy. Expect the 2026 Audi A5 to start around $52,000, with fully loaded trims topping out near $58,000. For the best blend of value and features, we recommend the Premium Plus trim. It adds upscale touches like enhanced ambient lighting, a heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, parking sensors, and a premium Bang and Olufsen sound system. The Premium Plus also includes a panoramic glass roof, flooding the cabin with natural light and making the interior feel even more open and inviting. Engine, transmission, and performance. Engine: 268 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder. Transmission: 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Drivetrain: Quattro all-wheel drive. The A5 single powertrain setup pays its turbo full with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for smoother acceleration and improved efficiency. Gear shifts are handled by a crisp, quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic. No manual available here. On the road, the A5 feels more playful than before, with sharper responses and a refined ride that still prioritizes comfort. The turbo engine delivers eager thrust, and throttle response is immediate when you put your foot down. Estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.2 seconds. That's right in line with rivals like the base BMW 3 Series and Genesis G70. Fuel economy. EPA estimated city 22 miles per gallon. EPA estimated highway 31 miles per gallon. While official EPA figures for the 2026 model aren't out yet, we expect similar results to last year's numbers. Once we test it on our 75 miles per hour highway loop, we'll update with real-world data. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Front seats. The A5's interior immediately feels premium. Audi's craftsmanship shines through in the materials, fit, and finish. It's elegant and modern without feeling overdone. While fans of the previous generation may miss the physical buttons, the new touchscreen layout is intuitive and tech-forward. Rear seats. The back row provides ample space and comfort for adults, with supportive cushions and solid legroom. Up to the panoramic sunroof, and it feels even airier and more upscale. Cargo. Thanks to its hatchback design, the A5 offers an impressive 23 cubic feet of cargo capacity, more than both the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Infotainment and connectivity. Display: 14.5-inch central touchscreen. Instrument cluster: 11.9-inch digital display. Connectivity: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Audio: standard 10-speaker Audi system, optional 19-speaker Bang, and a Olufsen 3D system. A sweeping curved glass panel dominates the dash, housing both the driver display and main infotainment screen. The interface is snappy, clear, and easy to navigate. An optional 10.9-inch passenger display allows co-pilots to interact with media and navigation, visible only to them while driving. A new head-up display integrates key driving info like navigation, speed, and safety alerts right into the driver's line of sight. Safety and driver assistance. Audi equips the A5 with a robust suite of safety and driver assistance features, though some are limited to higher trims. Standard features include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control. For full crash test data, visit the NHTSA and IHS websites once results become available.